Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to quickly download a zipped shapefile and upload this shapefile into ArcGIS Pro. So here we go. So here's the US County shapefile sitting in our lab. So to download this file here, simply click on it like this. It's a zip file. It says here USA counties co-virus deaths April 26 to 29 zip. All right, so you click on save. I've already set it up so that it goes to a particular folder, but you can set it to go to whichever folder you want it to go. I'm using Firefox, so if I click here, I can see it. So in Firefox, I can right click on it and go open containing folder. But if you know where you've sent it to, you can basically, if you send it to your desktop, for example, you can go to your desktop and look for it there. So at this stage here, you can just double click on it like this, and then you'll see it says extract all, right? And click on extract all, and this is where you can tell it to go wherever you want it to go, right? I'm putting it on my desktop in a folder called zip files, and this is the file that will be downloaded. You can always click on browse and point it to wherever you want to go. Right? You can also control the name of the folder. For example, I can just say, I can remove this here, and what this will do is going to create a folder called USA counties, right? In this zip files folder, notice this is desktop zip. There's a folder called zip, and this will be a new folder that will be created, and the contents of that zip file will be dumped into that folder. So here we go. Extract, and this is the folder. Notice the zip USA counties, and within USA counties we have this folder here. This folder contains the zip files, the different parts of the different files that make up the shapefile. So our next task now is to display this in ArcGIS Pro. There's no double clicking. Instead, you have to launch ArcGIS Pro, and then you open the file from within ArcGIS Pro. So I've got ArcGIS Pro opened here. So within ArcGIS Pro, what we have to do is to right click on folders. If this catalog here is not present, like say for example, if you encounter a situation like this where the catalog is missing, you can click on view and go catalog pane, and this brings it back. So this stage here, just right click on folders, add folder connection, and then you browse to the folder that contains your data. So mine is on desktop there, and it's in a folder called zip. So let's find zip. So if zip isn't there, what you can do is click on that to refresh it. Okay. So now I can see zip files. It's in zip files. In zip file, there's USA counties. That's the folder that contains my data. And so then I click OK. And so here we can see the file. At this stage here, you click on the drop down, click on the second drop down, and in a minute you'll see the file. So this is the file here, the shape file. And so to display it, we simply drag it across to the map, and voila, there is our shape file. Okay, now the remaining part of the assignment requires you to create a thematic map. Now to create a thematic map, the basic steps are basically to click on appearance at the top here, and then click on symbology, and then all of these things represent different types of thematic maps that you can create. For the lab, we're working on graduated colors map, so you click on graduated colors, and over here we have to select the field we like to map. The field that we like to map are the covirus cases for the 29th of April, so we click on that, and this basically is our map. I will let you fiddle with these different things here based on what we discussed in class. This is where you select the different types of classification methods, number of classes, the color scheme, and so on. Okay, so there you go. Thank you for looking. Thank you for looking at this video.